Innovation.
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 Innovation means digital citizenship and learning about technology.
To really be innovative, you need to listen to other people.
I think about all of our new theater technology that we get and the ability to learn how to operate that.
You know, it can be just a teacher trying some new practice in their classroom, or trying something that they've never done before, trying something that kids have never seen before, so that they can be interested and engaged in what's going on in the classroom.
I think it's good to have programs where the kids can kind of express their own interests. I think that's kind of a way to be innovative, where they can pursue what they're into.
Writing your own play, innovate your new ideas, and go through that entire process and how that prepares you to start at zero and grow into something that's going to be published.
Figuring out a way to solve a problem. Innovation can be something big or small.
It helps to prepare us for what happens in the future and how to be responsible and good adults.
Our mission and our vision are very clear and simple. We inspire students each and every day, and every student each and every day.
We have a lot of kids that we need to prepare for the future, and the only way that they're going to get there is by looking at, what is out there and what can be done and what are the possibilities.
We're here at the Digital Innovation Technology event at Swiftwater Elementary. What we have incorporated this year is an audiobook podcast. Not only does this help boost sense of belonging in our building because everyone is reading and experiencing the book at the same time, but it also helps with digital literacy.
Our strategic plan was built around innovation, as well as some values of curiosity and wonder. And we really want to make sure that our kids have that opportunity every day to be able to be curious and be able to try things and see what they can do.
This year we've brought our VR headsets and our partnership with Transfer, which is an online curriculum that actually builds skill sets, does individualized coaching, has adaptability for all levels of learners. And then students will be able to experience and practice more advanced skills like aviation maintenance and repair prior to going into the field and getting their hands on airplanes.
This is an example of some of the stuff we make in our design and modeling class. It starts out with kind of simple assignments where I'm telling the kids what to make, but then some of the kids, they really run with it and they get really good at it and they start making their own ideas. My real dream is that the kids will do something that they have to make a lot of iterations of, where we print one, we see what works, we see what doesn't, they go back and they fix it and they keep trying to make their ideas better and better until they get exactly what they want.
My particular program is transitional kindergarten, so we spend half of our day outdoor. We learn through, if we're building shapes with marshmallows and toothpicks, we're not only learning shapes, but we're also learning how to connect things, how to communicate, problem solve, work with others. And so our whole day is based on play and learning through play.
We live in a world right now where things with technology are changing so quickly, and the careers that our students are going to have may not exist today.
We know that leadership opportunities, we know that engagement, we know that those soft skills are something that need to be embedded not only in our CTE classes, but into our core classes, all the way down to elementary school, to ensure that our students are global citizens and ready for the workforce.
Our booth is for Peninsula High School theater programs. We have a display of a bunch of the fun props and costumes and all of our tech elements, as well as some of the writing team process, because the students actually wrote this show. Each scene is a different genre, and we see Western and rom-com and even a musical scene, and it's really about finding the truth and how everyone's perspective is different.
Today we have stuff from our fashion class. Right here I did all of this by scratch and designed all of this as well as that, and then that I upcycled from a jean.
The insight of our school leaders and our community around being comfortable with allowing us to work with innovative practices and bring in tech like AI that allows us to empower our students and empower our staff to be creative and also to focus in on those skills that they're going to need in their future.
Not all students learn the same. Some are more tactile. Some need more explicit language development. And so using technology that is adaptive for students, that is really centered around the personalization of learning, around students being able to have their hands on extremely new technology to create schools that are vibrant, that are energetic, that are student-focused, and that, fun is embedded. Creating school systems that have that as their overarching theme is a commitment that we have made to Peninsula families.